Hi sir, here is our newest product, PC cases, and this is our front panel. This is LED strip. It can change color with the mainboard, and this is metal mesh, metal material. With the LED strip, it can install 2 fans, and it supports 360 water liquid cooler. On the top, this is dust filter, and it supports 2 fans and supports 240 liquid cooler. Here is our I/O design. This can support LED light color change. Here's our side panel, tempered glasses. The highlight is easy install, just like this. No screws. This case supports ATX, micro ATX, mini ITX. That's all.